So the M1570s come with two sets of ear pads. The ones that are on the headphones already are the lambskin leather pads. For those of you who know leather, know that lambskin is one of the higher quality leathers out there. So that's really cool that they included that. Next, we have these velour ear pads, and here they are right here. They don't look like the highest quality ear pads, but they look pretty soft and comfortable. And here's the back side of the ear pads. You can see that they're probably just gonna slip on the headphones. All right, so now let's take a look at the headphones. Wow, these are pretty heavy, you guys. Hopefully this headband distributes the weight well, otherwise it'll be quite heavy on your head. Taking a close look here, you see where the 4-pin mini XLRs are going to connect to on the right and left. One thing I noticed right away is these headphones kind of creak a lot right around here. And they overall feel a lot more loose compared to the FLAGSHIP Lex, which is very rigid in its build quality. So yeah, a lot of movement, and you can see right there, it's where most of the movement occurs. This side doesn't make as much noise as this side does. All right, let's take a look at this headband here. Wow, pretty comfortable. Lots of padding. I would say a lot more padding than the FLAGSHIP Lex. There's also some padding on the top side, more so than the FLAGSHIP Lex. The stitching on the leather is pretty well done, as you can see here. So here's a closer look at the ear pads. Very cool new design from Monoprice. And you really can't see in there into the driver that well. It just looks completely black. It's good to see that these ear cups have a stop. They can't go all the way around like the M1060s. So they stop right there and right here. They do have a bit of an adjustment this way when you're wearing them. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the headband adjustment. Yeah, pretty good. Similar to the FLAGSHIP Lex. I must say that these leather ear pads are very, very thick. I mean, some of the thickest ear pads I've seen, maybe even more so than the M1060Cs. All right, let's take a look at the inside here, and I'll tell you that they're very deep. Your ear is probably not going to touch the inside portion of the headphones because these are so deep. The ear pads seem very responsive. I'm pretty sure there's memory foam in here. There's a spring right back, and they seem very comfortable. And again, I do want to reiterate that these are quite heavy. Probably these headphones are going to be the heaviest ones I have from the ones you see right here on the screen. All right, so in terms of what's metal and what's plastic, this is definitely metal here. This is metal. This seems like plastic. And this piece right here, I'm not quite sure. It could either be plastic or metal. I'm not 100% sure. And you do have the left and right indicators on your headphones here. Looking at the stitching for the ear pads, they look pretty uniform, except for this little area here on the right. It's a little bit off, but not too bad. All right, I'm just gonna test this mini XLR connection, see how well it fits in. Yeah, just snaps in and stays in there pretty well. Definitely not gonna fall off. All right, so if you guys are interested in buying your own pair of the new Monoprice flagship headphones, the M1570s, I will leave a link down in the description below. Until the next video, see you then.